This video is about SharePoint Quick Steps. And my name is Keijzers. I help businesses for a living with Microsoft SharePoint, Copilot, and Microsoft Teams. So that's why you can be sure that after watching this video, you will know everything about these quick steps. Yeah, and if you like this video at the end, give it a like and give it a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And let's jump into it. Yes, I already opened the SharePoint site. It's really a crappy site because it's a demo site. But I wanted to go to the quick steps, and the quick steps are available in lists. So I'm going to this list in this case, and here you will see that we have automate, and we can add quick steps. So we can create a quick step, and by default, you see a lot of them already here, but it could be that not all of them are showing. So this can be done on a selected item or for the whole list. Now, this could be interesting, and I'm going to go to my site contents now because I want to be in a library. Let's see if I have a document library with documents. So I have some documents here. And if we go here to the quick steps, create quick steps, we see that there's even some more items here, and there's one less. So what is the thing? Well, I think the quick steps are a great initiative against the alerts. The SharePoint alerts are moving away. Maybe if you view this video, they are already away. I don't know that, but that's what is going to happen. So that's now that we have quick steps, we can go to quick step and just create a quick step. So we can say, okay, for a selected file, we want to start Teams chat. So show a command that will, for a selected folder, file or folder, start a Teams chat with enter name. So here we can say with me, for example, but we can also say with Debbie, for example, or someone else. I don't think it's going to work for externals. I haven't checked that. I'm just going to do a me. The me is still there. Quick step name, add a name to your quick step, include item link in message board. Send Teams chat. So I'm going to create, and now we have our step. It's on by default. So now that we have this, we can go to quick steps. No, we have to create, we have to select an item, and now we can go to the items here, and we can go to quick steps. Let's see where it is. No, I don't see it now. Where is it? Because it should be here, and it's quick steps. Show the comment that will, yeah, all right. It's there, but it doesn't show. So this is interesting and directly good to see that also I'm struggling sometimes with some things. It's maybe because I've selected two items. So here we have the one, and now we should have it here somewhere. Let's see where it is. Open, manage access, send Teams chat. So it was due to the fact that I selected multiple files. So this is only one way to do it. And this is started chat. I can, let's just do it one more time, and then we just say automate send Teams chat, use the web. And now it directly gives me the link to the document, which is great. And it's going directly to send it to me. So, because I selected myself. But if this somebody else, it could be handy to have that. Of course, this depends on the need of your document library, if this is what you want. Let's look at some more quick steps. Create a quick step. And now we also have a move file or a copy file. So we can just select this and then we can say, okay, we select a folder. So we want to copy it to test, select, and copy to main folder, for example. Create, and we can now just select the file. And now we have but automate, we have copy to main folder. So this is really easy to use. I even think we can use a different view. I don't know about this for sure. So I have to check. Um, no, it's not there. Um, but that's one other thing. And these are just a few things that are really interesting, but the next thing is really cool. By the way, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump back. If we want to do, for example, I have to deselect this. We want to have a quick step, create quick step, and we want to execute a flow. So we have to give the flow a name, for example, test flow. And now it says, okay, I want to have a flow ID. So this is something that's really important to know if you need this. And we can set the text of the top panel. So we can say test header and flow button, uh, kick off my flow. So that's the flow. And now we still need the flow ID. So how do we get that? We have to go to Power Automate. I always have to search for this URL. So I'm just going to grab this one. We'll go to my flows. Let's see if I have some flows. Um, it's not a correct flow, but let's just open one. And then we can click on export, and then we can say get flow identifier. This identifier is needed to fill in here. So here in the flow ID, I can set this identifier. And then I can create, and now we can select an item again. And now we have this option, and that's why it wasn't showing. It should be, but no, I don't know the folder, the header title anymore. I think it was test. I'm not sure. No, it was something with header. Um, I don't see it here, but you can create the header type, and then you can just have a button here and then directly kick it off from there. Now I still have to go to my automate, and then I can say test flow. So this is a different way, but we can still kick off the flow directly from here. This can be very useful if you have some approvals of things like that. Now, you already saw that we have the quick steps, but in the quick steps, we don't have an approval yet. And that's because the approvals are off, although they show here, they're still off. So, what we need to do is to flow. Let's check where I do this. Um, why I cannot see any flow at this moment. Integrate. create a flow, and we want to create an approval flow. Let's see where it is. Let's do this one. All right, that's fine. And this is not the way I was intended to have it, because there should be already a default flow in there. See your flows. No, it's not showing, but there should already be a default flow, so approval flow. And if that's in there, you can you get another quick step, and I just showed you here because here it's in the list item. It is available. So let's see. Um, Configure approvals. It's here, and then if that's configured, you can send an approval request with a quick step. So this is really helpful. And I think we will see more and more items come up in these quick steps that will make your work and life better. So if you like to see more about SharePoint, then you can click over here, and else I see you next time.